Thinking about trying one of those at-home gut microbiome tests? A new study suggests you may want to read the results with caution. Growing interest in gut health has fueled a surge in at-home tests that examine your gut bacteria and turn the results into personalized health reports. Researchers analyzed 21 direct-to-consumer gut microbiome kits from 7 different companies. All of the kits tested the exact same combined stool sample from an individual donor, but the results didn't match. The reported levels of certain bacteria varied widely. One example, the genus Clostridium, which includes harmful bacteria like C. diff. While data from the American Gut Project shows average levels just over 2.5%, one company reported 5 times that amount, and 3 others didn't detect it at all in at least one sample. Even more surprising, researchers say, when 3 identical samples were sent to the same company, one was labeled unhealthy, while the other 2 were labeled healthy. The authors believe differences in sampling, processing, and analysis methods likely explain the inconsistencies. They suggest standardizing testing procedures could help improve accuracy.